Welcome to the best pick. The Best Disposal Air Switch is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential components in a modern kitchen, transforming how you interact with your garbage disposal system by offering a convenient and safe alternative to traditional wall switches. Imagine effortlessly activating your disposal with just a simple push of a button, eliminating the need to reach under the sink or fumble with complicated wiring, all while adding a sleek, contemporary touch to your countertop. This innovative device not only enhances the functionality of your kitchen but also provides an added layer of safety, making it a must-have upgrade for any homeowner seeking efficiency and style. Number 5. CLEESINK Air Switch Kit Garbage Disposal Part. Selecting the correct button is crucial for a proper fit. Choose the short button for thinner countertops and the long button for thicker materials like granite or marble. Our power supply cords are UL attested for your safety and long-term reliability. They are designed to work with standard voltages ranging from 110V to 130V. Installation is a breeze and requires no tools. It fits standard sinkholes, but if you have a different size, you may need to drill a new one. This unit is designed to work seamlessly with virtually any brand of garbage disposal up to 2 horsepower. It's compatible with popular brands like Waste King, ISE, and Moan. For optimal performance, please trim any excess hose. Avoid coiling the hose between the button and the power module, as this can affect its reliability. What we like. This option is great for thicker countertops like granite or quartz, thanks to its long 3.5-inch button. Its UL-certified power cords ensure safety and reliability for long-term use. If you're looking for a widely compatible unit that works with virtually any garbage disposal, this is a solid choice. What people say. The disposal air switch is a great addition to my kitchen. It's very easy to install and use. I love the sleek design and how it complements my countertops. Number 4. CLEESINK Cordless Air Switch for Garbage Disposal. Introducing the CLEESINK Cordless Air Switch, designed for seamless control of your food waste disposer. It offers a clean, modern solution for your kitchen. Select the perfect fit for your countertop thickness. The long 3.5 button is ideal for thicker materials like granite or marble, ensuring a secure and stylish installation. Rest assured with UL-attested power cords, built for security and long-term reliability. It's designed to work safely with standard household voltages. Installation is a breeze, no tools or extra screws needed. Simply plug it in and enjoy immediate functionality for your garbage disposal. This versatile switch works with virtually any brand of garbage disposal up to 2 HP. It's the perfect upgrade for Waste King, ISE, Moan, GE, and more. Designed to fit standard sink holes, typically between 114 and 145 in diameter. It's the ideal replacement for a soap dispenser hole. What we like. Enjoy a tool-free installation with this cordless air switch kit, simply plug it in. The long 3.5-inch button is designed for thicker countertops, offering a sleek look. If you prioritize ease of setup and broad compatibility with all garbage disposal brands, this model is an excellent pick. What people say. The air switch works perfectly for my garbage disposal. Easy to install and looks great with my kitchen faucet. It's a great alternative to a wall switch, especially for islands. Number 3. BESTILL Garbage Disposal Air Switch Kit. Your safety is our top priority. Our power module is UL certified, ensuring a secure and reliable operation for your peace of mind. Experience enhanced durability and a luxurious look with our upgraded solid brass cover. It's built to resist rust and wear, perfectly matching your kitchen style. This unit supports disposers up to 2.5 HP, thanks to its upgraded 14 AWG power line. It's designed to be compatible with virtually any brand or model you have. Installing it is a breeze. Just drill a 1 to 3/8-inch hole in your countertop or SinkTop, and it's ready to go, fitting even thick materials like granite or marble. The package includes the power module, the air switch button, a 5-foot air tube, and an installation manual. Plus, enjoy our 30-day return policy and a 2-year warranty. What we like. Prioritizing safety, this unit features a UL-certified power module, not just the cord, for enhanced security. Its upgraded solid brass cover offers superior durability and a luxurious look, resisting rust and wear. If you need a robust unit that can handle high-powered disposers up to 2.5 HP and want a premium finish, this is the one. What people say. This disposal air switch is a great addition to my kitchen. It works perfectly and is very easy to install. I love the sleek design and how it complements my countertops. Number 2. SinkTop Air Switch Kit with Long Button. Introducing our stylish air switch kit, featuring a sleek matte black finish that complements any kitchen faucet. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your sink. This versatile adapter works with virtually any food waste disposer, including those connected to a dishwasher. Installation is straightforward and fits most standard sink setups. Crafted from high-quality brass, the button cover ensures durability and a premium feel. It's built to last and resist corrosion. Enjoy peace of mind with its waterproof and anti-leakage features. The thoughtful drainage hole on the side prevents water buildup, ensuring reliable performance. Installation is a breeze, whether on your sink top or countertop. It comes with all necessary components and is UL certified for safety and performance. Beyond the stunning matte black, this kit is available in 6 attractive finishes to perfectly match your kitchen's aesthetic. What we like. This air switch boasts a high-quality brass cover with a stylish matte black finish, designed to complement black faucets. It's built to be waterproof and anti-leakage, ensuring durability and safety. If you're aiming for a specific aesthetic with matte black fixtures and need a reliable, water-resistant unit for your disposal, consider this option. What people say. As a plumber, I ended up buying this for my own house and was quickly surprised how easy it was to install, and it works just as good as the name brands you get from the box stores. Sleek design. Easy install. Fits and seals well. Perfect for my kitchen. Ease to use. Metal is perfect, not plastic. Also easy to install. Number 1. Garbage Disposal Air Switch Kit, Champagne Bronze. Introducing our stylish air switch kit, featuring a beautiful champagne bronze finish that perfectly complements your sink. Its unique color process offers a complex and true-to-life effect. This versatile air switch set is designed to fit any food waste disposer, and even work seamlessly with your dishwasher. Enjoy enhanced functionality in your kitchen. Crafted with a high-quality brass button cover, this unit is built to last. It also features a practical drainage hole and is designed to be waterproof and anti-leakage. The power module is compact yet powerful, measuring 3.15 x 2.40 x 1.95. It's UL certified for safety and can handle disposers up to 2 HP. Installation is a breeze. The air-activated button can be easily mounted on your sink or countertop, even for island installations. 2 included gaskets ensure a stable, screw-free setup. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, such as the air tube and adapter button. It's designed for a 1 to 1/4 inch countertop hole, making it a convenient upgrade. What we like. Designed to perfectly match champagne bronze sink flanges, this unit features a high-quality brass cover with a complex, beautiful finish. It's also waterproof and anti-leakage, ensuring longevity and safe operation. If you have champagne bronze fixtures and are looking for a stylish, durable, and water-resistant air switch, this is an ideal match. What people say. Built well, functions perfectly. The button and trim piece are very nice looking. Easy to install and works great. The switch works very well. It is low profile and matches very well to the Delta faucet that was installed. The switch is an improvement and beautiful too. Low profile so it does not interfere with the function of the 6-foot by 3-foot island. Under the sink it fits well and plugs into the outlet and offers 2 outlets for additional items. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.